Hey everybody, it's MakeupMenaree. Welcome back to my channel. So we are going around number next with this horrible ass wig. She played me to the fullest last time, but I think that I may have figured out what to do with this hoe. So if you guys don't remember, here is a recap from the last time. So I spent 2,000 billion years rolling up this hair. I didn't brush it out. I just rolled it the entire head and just, yeah, you'll see what I did next. Yes, and I honestly don't think it got hot enough. Yeah, blast and shit, but not hot enough, I don't think, to, oh, such a fail. Look at that hot ass frizzy mess. I can't. Okay, so here we are today. I'm going to go ahead and start chopping the shit. Okay, so I figured this headstand kept popping off. It was gonna be another horrible fail video. But anyway, I grabbed the cheapest scissors I could find, of course, and I just started cutting the crap out of this wig. Just stretching pieces out and cutting pieces that just seemed to be a little too long. I swear I took so much hair off this wig, I could have made another full wig with the hair I removed. Okay, so I am no stylist, so I was just referencing a picture of sort of like a Diva cut, I guess, and I was just going from there. So you can see already how much better it looks with that big bulky bottom part and mid part removed. And this was literally half of the hair that I took off this damn wig. Okay, so here I'm pretty happy with the shape. You can tell it already looks completely different. And I know y'all gonna be like, oh, here you are with these plastic rollers again, but I learned my lesson. I am only rolling a few in the front. I mostly wanted to roll some that were frizzy in the front because I just, you know, had jacked the hair up so bad last time. But I also wanted to see if this would actually work when you do it the correct way. So that's why I'm only rolling the front. Okay, so I got the front rolled up, and now I'm gonna take that and pull the other hair back out of the way so it doesn't get wet. And I'm going to dip that in this hot water. It's not, well, it's steaming hot. You can see it's hot. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and let that sit in there for, I think I let it lay in there for like maybe 5 minutes, and I'm gonna pull it out after that. Okay, so at this point, I'm freaking out because it looked literally like the hair was melted, but it worked out okay. Here it is just a couple days later. It's dry, and I am removing all the curlers. And you can see that the curls actually look about the same as the other curls. And yeah, that actually worked when you follow directions. Okay, so I'm just separating some of the curls, and I do go back and cut some of the bangs again because they were just really long still and shaggy, and they still needed a little more of a shape. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut those down a little more. Okay, so a reminder of what she looked like before, after the first disaster, just frizzy, horrible. And here is the finished cut. I am so excited. So here is the finished look. Okay, so I am so happy that this worked out. I'm telling you, I could not take another fail video. This wig has ran me ragged, and I'm so happy with the way it turned out. Let me know in the comments below if you guys think it's cute. Would you guys wear this wig? Anyway, thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.